kebersihan.
Hari gini buang sampah sembarangan. Udah tahu sampah biang masalah, buang sampah pada tempatnya lah.
Iya ya, kalau bukan kita siapa lagi? Ayo kita buat Jakarta jadi bersih.
Good to see you again. Yes. Hi. I will give to him. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Sorry, I am not attending you with salmon.
No, but thank you so much for sending your. I will just in case. Thank you so much for sending your wife and your sister. It was very nice of them to come. So we hope next time we can have you.
Well, darling, you know, bring 2 tons salmon from Norway.
Not only salmon, also crab.
Yeah, crabs.
Seashells.
Bring the chef from the.
From two chefs. One who is a former part of a world champion team from Norway. The other one is also Norwegian. He works for Nobu. It's a famous Japanese high-end sushi or fish restaurant. So they have opened Nobu restaurants in several countries. I told them, now you have to open in Jakarta.
Traffic jam.
Good business.
One of the solutions is ERP.
Yeah. But I really hope your wife that we did send some seafood with her that arrived to you because it was they said it was.
She will.
Okay, good. So you got to taste it. Good, very good.
And Q3, what's your cooperation with Mr. Jan?
He's our customer, actually. So we are working on this Peter Wren project, or together with the police, on the ERI, on the electronic number plates. Yeah. So we are the distributor, or we are the supplier to Peter Wren, which is Jan is the director of Peter Wren.
Yeah, I think it's policy when you're doing the police ERI because of the ERI, ERP, and ELE. Yeah, we want the electronic law enforcement too. Yeah. We have made decision we don't want to use our own budget. We want to have like a beauty contest. So we will give them a transaction fee.
Yeah.
But the problems come up now when we say transaction fee. How many fee hikers will get through after you put the payment? Nobody knows what is. We could not.
We have done some studies on this, and we have. I don't have all the numbers in my head, but I think we were calculating around 400,000 cars a day or something. And we have done some calculation on this and some counting on this, and we have also looked into the budgets for an operator, how this can look like actually. So this is a viable model, and it depends, of course, on the pricing model you put on it. But I think we.
No, for motorcycle, we will ban motorcycle in this road. Because our government law, they don't set a motorcycle. Yeah.
We also, when we did the calculation, we didn't include the motorbikes. Only cars.
No motorbikes. Only passenger.
You can share those studies with the.
Yeah, we have already shared them with this before as well.
But our own survey last year states that in Sudirman Tamrin, in one direction is on average from 6 a.m. to 22. It's about 6,000 per hour.
Per hour, yeah.
So 6,000 times 16 is about 96,000 per hour, per day for one direction.
For one direction. Yes. And then if you add up 2 directions,
yes,
and on the other crossing as well.
Volume Sudirman Tamrin per day on working day.
I don't know. It's feasible or not.
We studied last time with Pasane as well. We show the model, But okay, I mean the income is very much depending on what kind of pricing you want to put on these cars. So if you want to do 20,000 or 30,000, or it's a difference, big difference on the income. But for the cost of the operation, it's not a problem compared to income. It's a quite big system, so it will not be a problem to make quite a lot of money and put it back into the transportation sector.
In your calculation, how many years you have to make the contract if we do this?
We made it modular. You remember something? How much? 15 years? Or 10 or 15?
Right now is still updating that one because the studies studi pertama kan dari tahun 2010 Pak. Ada studi lagi ini sekarang kita dapat anggaran lagi untuk updating itu. Kita kan mau yang benar-benar cukup signifikan nih karena sudah mulai implementasi, jangan sampai salah gitu Pak. Sebentar lagi harus selesai nih dan 15 Desember sudah dapat data paling terakhir Pak.
Tapi kan itu cuma survei kan, asumsi kan.
Asumsi ya.
Karena kita nggak pernah tahu kalau dikenakan bayaran berkurang berapa. The logic kan ini, kalau logic in 1 hour 6,000 passenger, that means after you put the ERP, will decrease. If not decrease, we will increase the
No, it's right. It's right.
idea for this road. That's where to. Itu yang dipatokan. Berapa ideal 1 jam kalau di Sudirman Tamrin? Per jam supaya lancar. 3.000, 4.000.
I think 30k per hour was the optimum speed, I think, which we calculated.
Iya, hasil isi fungsi rata-rata 40 atau 60 gitu kan, 60 or
ke dalam kota kan 40 Pak. Makanya kita dapat 35 sampai 40 itu yang kita perjanjikan.
Nah, makanya kalau 35 40 1 jam berapa mobil?
Itu ada kan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kali 1.500 Jadi ya karena kalau 1.800 kan maksimal harus di bawah itu Pak.
1.500
kali 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lane. Kita kan inbound sama outbound kan setengah aja Pak kita lihat kan orang ke dalam kota.
What we also introduced is like a time difference. So instead of because you have a high fee basically when you have the peak hours.
Yeah.
You know, and then you have less fee or no fee, maybe in the morning or in the evening or in the middle of the day. So you spread out the traffic as well. So it's not that all cars disappear; they just drive different. They have a different driving pattern, basically. So and they optimize their trips in a different way. So what you also saw in Stockholm, the drive-through time went down with 35%. But the amount of cars was not reduced so much, but because they just drive in different hours, basically.
What about Gothenburg and Bangkok? Have successfully implemented there as well? Is experiences similar or?
Experience in Gothenburg is exactly the same as Stockholm actually. We just put this year we put it in live this year, January in Gothenburg. And you see exactly the same pattern which we saw in Stockholm as well. The cars and the drive-through time is optimized a lot, and that's what you want to have. But still, it's a money machine as well. So still you earn a lot of money, even if the traffic goes down with 20-30%. So because the volume in these streets and in Sudirman it will be exactly the same because you have a high volume street basically. And the running cost is much less than what you earn. So actually, probably 70% of the income will be earnings, basically. So it's a very optimum, it's a very well proven technology and with low kind of operational costs. And you don't have a lot of hassle because this is proven for so many years and the operational part is very limited because you don't have a big installation in the car. The driver doesn't notice a lot of stress. So it's very efficient. So you get out the best of the ERP, both on the congestion part and also on the revenue side.
No, Q3 already has a company in Jakarta
Yes.
already.
Yes.
So you could join the bid.
You already established, you can join
We
the
already
bid.
have some projects also with Pasone from before, using actually the same technology.
Beda Pak, yang kir ujung menteng gitu kita pakai ada mobil dalamnya sehingga nanti rencananya itu kir izin angkutan STNK pajak gitu. Kalau satu merah ini sama semua sistem nggak bisa jalan rencananya gitu Pak. Oh jadi hijau harus hijau semua. Yang QP yang di ujung menteng yang kiri itu Pak, yang kemarin mereka kompetisi kir sama QP sama CAPS. Ya, QP lebih murah, dia yang menang. Jadi yang bisa dilaporkan kejaksaan karena kalah di laporan kejaksaan bisa mulu hanya saya sih ya silakan aja periksa.
Free sama Caps.
Ya, mereka
Caps
beriksa.
itu ada perusahaan join Indonesia juga.
Enggak, dia cuma orang-orang PT dari sini. Jadi bukan dia belum punya cabang.
Yeah, like in Sweden, use your technology.
Sweden use our
Caps
technology.
and Q-Free
Fighting, so they won in
It's like
Sweden.
a cousin or a brother, sister.
It's more it's a competition, okay?
Yeah.
So they are our biggest competitor is CAP.
Yeah, Caps want to join with one of local company.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, we just want to open bid and transparent.
That's fine.
Yeah. The important is your system is open system. But we have agreed, we have make a decision. And make a decision. We want your system. Q-free or Caps, but this system we want to use.
Yeah.
For our ERP, ERI, for use this system. Ya, cuma kita udah sepakat dengan teknologi.
Karena itu dan Sandy SRC karena populasi di dunia memang paling banyak. Mereka ada juga sistem di lain kan populasinya kecil takutnya dia nggak sustain Pak. Karena investasi.
We want an open system is important.
Also, I mean, we can also very fast implement it because we also have a factory in Singapore producing the OBUs, and we have a lot of experience now in Jakarta. We have also implemented in Jakarta. We have been there for many years already, and we are ready. So I mean, we can implement pretty fast as well.
And that's what we want to try first. Use a sticker. We want to count this one. Try out. That's what we want to try to make decision. If you use a sticker like Singapore before. Singapore before they implement the ERP, they said this is a restricted area, they have to buy a sticker. We try first, want to count how many cars, what the social problem. And we will want after, this is another problem. If we use our money to implement this ERP, if not works, all of us will bring to the jail. If this could work or not, because it's Jakarta. Law enforcement, the law enforcement is very, very difficult. We don't know what happened. When they put us people to pay money, we don't know how many demonstrations. Like we said, this is ban for the motorcycle. If the investor to invest here, who want to pay, it could not work. That means not the technology could not work. The people abandoned, don't care about this. That's why we think we need to try first. To try the sticker first. We want to. The social problem is more important now. Technology, you don't need to explain to us. We believe in the technology. We have so many. That's why many times I said, you don't need to go to the Norway or Sweden, just want to go for vacation. we know this technology is good. That's why we went to make a guarantee to the investor.
Of course, socialization of this project is important, for sure.
Yeah.
And also, you have seen around the world that because they thought it was going to get a lot of obstruction. But what people also saw was that when they implemented the system, it was really helping almost overnight.
Yeah.
So actually, a few months after they implemented the system, they put up a referendum in Stockholm and said, do you guys want this? And then more than 50% of the guys in Stockholm, they said, yes, we want it.
Yeah.
So it was actually much more popular than they thought it was.
I think like this, Tony, like the ERP.
Because it's very much about telling the story, you know, getting rid of all the cars which is not supposed to be there, like the one with illegal number plates, the one that doesn't pay tax. Why should 80% of the people pay tax for these other guys? Getting the social story right, and you push it out. We're actually, right now we are making a movie about this in our office as well. And we are using Jakarta as a reference for us, basically. And getting that out in the media is important. And also the convenience for the people. What does it mean for me? Where do I get my overviews? How do I put it in? Is it together with my number plates? And all these stories. And if you socialize this in a proper way, this will work, for sure. And people will see the results afterwards. So I don't think there will be a lot of problems.
What about Bangkok? That must be
Bangkok?
more similar.
Nggak ada problem sih, saya sistem. Maksudnya gini, saya cuma khawatir si investor tuh tanya, sekarang kalau saya invest nih, saya pakai uang saya, Anda dia bertransaksi. Terus kalau tidak tercapai target itu, ada jaminan deposit pakai monorer. Just think like this, you know. If the investor want to invest, we are very happy. I just think if I was the investor, I am afraid if I could not get back my money. We need. But if the investor said it's okay, also we will ask maybe the model of the document, the bidding document. We will learn and we will open the bidding.
For us, it's also a little bit different because we already have a project in Jakarta on the ERI side.
Yeah.
So we are making a lot of campaigns now, anyway, to socialize this program. And this is the same equipment you use for ERP. And this ERP can only be an application on top as well, using the same, basically. So,
maksudnya jelasin.
Untuk soal
Maksud saya ini loh. Maksud saya
tidak
ini.
boleh membuatkan
Pak, ini saya jelasin. Bahasa Inggris lebih bagus dari saya. Pak, Pak Erwin, saya cuma khawatir investor mau atau enggak. Saya tahu kamu jadi investor. Kamu mau nggak investasi 1 triliun lebih? Tidak tahu berapa mobil yang lewat, kapan balik modal. Terus kalau orang melanggar, kalau orang Bandung tidak mau bayar, terus kalau enforcement siapa? Polisi bisa gitu loh. Nah itu yang membuat saya tidak berani pakai APBD. Saya bilang sama Pak Jokowi, saya kita investasi 1 triliun, nggak ada arti DKI lah. Kalau nggak jalan gitu loh, bukan mesinnya nggak jalan ya. Kita dipanggil jaksa pasti. Ada sesuai gitu loh. I never appreciate it. I believe in technology. I know very well. I've learned. That's why we love this technology. Yeah. Like a parking meter, everything we want from Europe. We know this very well. The problem is if we use our budget, we spend 1 trillion above, and this could not work. Not the technology could not work, the system. Because in Indonesia, we have a traffic warden. In your country, traffic warden could find and stop the people. But here, we could not. Always under police.
So basically,
That's what it's so-
So basically, you want the investor to take the risk, yeah, the financial.
Yeah, that's
risk.
why-
That's
that's why-
part of
yeah.
the bidding.
Yeah, that's why I want the financials from the investor. But the problem investor will ask, what's the guarantee if I already developed?
exactly.
If I said 20 years, now how I got the guarantee in 20 years I could get back my money? That's not the problem. That's why I said, to make this become more accurate, we want to try out, use a sticker first. Because when sticker go to the ERP, it's just a manual to be automatic. We put the sticker, we want to know what the reaction, how many cars to get in and get out.
But the problem is that people will know that you don't enforce it. So you will not have the same impact as an ERP system. Because first of all, you have to have an open system. You cannot have any barriers, basically, because that creates just more traffic. Basically. So, so the real effect is when people know that they will be enforced. Then you have the real effect on the system. But like you said, I don't have any worries for the technology. But of course, it's important to have the right socialization package and program in place before you launch it. And talk about all the benefits you have, and talk about all the extra tax money you will have in, and talk about this, and you will be surprised to find out that people would love it, because you can see it pretty quick on the traffic. You can see it almost overnight.
Yeah, not about the people. I think not about the people. I think people love it, it's okay. We still say in our survey, they said okay. But I mean, I don't know if I could find an investor to invest in this.
I think you can. I think, first of all, I think that, I mean, what we are doing in Jakarta, for example, we are with Peter Rin as well. We are working on a concession base as well. Peter Rin is the investor, and he gets actually state guarantees from Norway through this GIEC financing and export credit. So as a part of the political risk, is covered by them.
So for an ERP, it's thinkable that you could gang up with someone bigger than Peter Rin to have someone big to back it up, and to have the same kind of state guarantee.
So actually, who lend the money is Peter Rin, not our government, right?
No, it's Peter Rin.
Yeah.
And Innovisi, by a parent guarantee from Innovisi, and then EA, which is guaranteeing for the loan that Peter Rin is investing in. It's exactly so.
Actually, we cannot issue any letter that support who will the winner. We just you get award, you're the winner. About the loan something, not our business. That's yours.
But that's all our business.
That's beauty contest.
Yeah.
Siapkan aja.
Sedang.
Kapan?
Ya, ini
menangnya antara for me is the winner is Q-free or cups. That's what we want in technology. Yes, we say like that because you also barter the same. In your country, use a cup, and their country is Q-free. That's mean what I mean is I want this technology to be implemented in this ERP. So I think you just prepare the document and open the beauty contest. So you could directly. How transaction fee, we have to put the owner estimate. How many percent? You have to ask them first. Average how many percent in your calculation. In your calculation, how many percent in the transaction fee? If we put a one way, the maximum is 22,000.
25% or 30% or something. I don't remember. Exactly.
Yeah, that's what we want to know.
Yeah.
If we say 25 or 30%, that means we will put in our owner estimate 25 or 30% in our bidding document.
range.
This we can have a look at.
That's important. Put, and for how many years? If they said 15 years, that means we said put in 15 years in our document.
I think actually we went for worst case. We said 5 years. That's the normal.
Yeah, we could 10 or 15 years. If you could bidding document, you said we could do it in 5 years. Or like we put the 25%, you could say we could do it in 15% or 10%.
Or you say that you pay a higher fee in the beginning and you reduce it.
Yeah.
So that you have less earning in the beginning and then you have more earnings later on. There's lots of models you can use.
Jadi tender dibuka aja. Open, mereka yang tawarin.
Or you say that, okay, all the income is going to you guys. And then you just have tranches. The first 5 years you have a quarterly payback, basically, from you guys. And then over the next 10 years you have an operational payback, which is money, basically, and you pay us back with that.
This is a little bit difficult.
This is also one project we did in Slovakia now. Was
Yeah, if we have to get the money and pay you again, that's the problem. We have to use the parliament. It's better the business is automatically, you cut the transaction fee, more easy.
But I think also in the new law, you're allowed to use it, huh?
Kalau nanti mungkin BRU kan Jakarta
BRU lebih konyol. Kalau BRU juga tetap bisa minta DPR dia keluarin duitnya kan. Lebih baik base-nya kita harus bikin sebagai pajak menurut saya. Kayak pajak online tuh bisa sama orang tuh loh. Kan transaksi. Yang penting mau masuk dia potong semua easy.
But there is a lot of different models there, and like this we definitely raise on them.
Ya, kita mesti bikin di bawah misalnya parkir. Bikin seperti parkir off-street. Si pengelola parkir off-street kan menyetorkan kepada kita 20%.
Lahannya lahan private, lahan publik. Ada kami kan aturan private, ini kan aturan publik kita.
Makanya kalau kita masuk dulu baru bayar dia, wah nggak bisa.
DPR
dia udah pusing kan. Dia juga nggak mau mesti ada potong. I think we prepare lebih. But we have to very fast. We hope at the end of this year you already do a beauty contest. Ya kan? Tapi mesti disebut speknya loh, jangan merek-merek dari negara mana masuk. Kita harus kunci nih. Ya, so lock, not another country come. We don't know. Yeah.
No, but I think for us, I mean, any fair beauty contest or bidding, anything which is open is fine because they have the best references. They have the
for the technology, many specifications from the Q-free and have get into the document. So another machine, another program could not get them. Another system could not get them again. Ya kita mesti sebutkan ini dipakai berapa negara gitu loh. Yang maksimum dipakai banyak negara.
Di pembobotannya kalau pengalamannya di mana saja kan.
Itu harus ada.
Jaminan kalau ini kan investasi, jaminan yang benar-benar garansi punya duit nggak, jangan sampai nanti.
Nah, yang penting udah dipakai di berapa negara. Kalau berarti datang, udah Cina bisa membuat sistem. Sekarang Cina udah ngaku bisa ERP.
Kopi ya selesai. Tapi kan belum sebutkan gitu.
Itu yang bahaya. Harus disebutkan itu. Kayak kita mesin parkir, kita sebutkan dipakai berapa negara, ada berapa puluh tahun. Dia yang boleh ikutnya sudah dipakai berapa negara, sudah berapa puluh tahun. Udah di atas 20 tahun. Jadi yang baru-baru ikut ini nggak bisa. Boleh nggak seperti itu dan dokumenter?
Bisa, bahkan bobotnya, kalau pengalaman sekian bobotnya kalau apa, kan ada skornya, Pak. Kalau ada ini yang mungkin kecil, jadi kan harus fair gitu.
Siapa ya? Bisa selesai nggak bulan ini? Kalau selesai udah penting loh, aku pengen mulai kelihatan jalan. How many months you will accomplish one corridor? 4 months, 6 months?
It's 6 to 12 months, but depending a little bit how we do it. The first implementation can be after 6 months.
6 months.
So within next year, you will have it up and running.
Yeah, we hope this year we have to make the.
If we can do all the beauty contacts and everything this year, then it could be implementation time next year, and like end of next year you can launch it.
Itu beauty contest aja.
Mungkin kami persiapkan.
Itu bisa selesai nggak akhir bulan ini? Itu tanggal 20.
Sebelum 15 Desember terjadi kontrak kita kan ada konsumen yang banding itu di bulan Desember kan harus jadi.
Jadi bisa langsung lempar.
Ya kalau nggak gitu ya kita kan selesai nggak ada tanggung jawaban anggaran.
No tea, no coffee.
It's okay. Don't waste the city's budget on coffee and tea. When we finish with the road crossing, we actually have one other project that I'd just like to update you on. Because last time we met Padre Kovin, we also presented something called a smart tunnel or multi-purpose tunnel. And last week, before the seafood dinner, we also had a seminar with Public Works, with people from your office. I don't remember the name of the person who came from.
He was the deputy of the spatial planning.
Oh, Ibu Yani. Ibu Sarwo Handayani.
No, it was actually Mr. Sarwo.
Sarwo Handayani,
Yeah,
there's a deputy governor
Yeah, he was
for special planning
You're right, yeah.
and
So,
environment.
in the old camps, we presented the idea, and it seems that it was well received. So we're moving ahead, and we are ready. Of course, at the end of the day, it will have to be a commercial idea that will have to be sold in, but we are ready to support the development of the idea. So Marianne, my deputy, has worked on this. So I don't know. The idea is basically that these can be put in the canal, so you don't need land acquisition. Then you drive train, for example, drive trains on top, have cars inside, and then you can have utilities here. When there's flooding, you just close the tunnel and you let the water flow inside the tunnel. That way you can
This is ducting, also ducting here into it.
yeah. So that way you can increase the capacity a lot. Basically, the technology is tested, and you can build all the elements can be built locally. So basically, what you do is you prefabricate the elements, and you just put them down. So it can be done also quite quickly. So these modules can also easily be transported on trucks or on bodies.
Private public partnership.
Yes, so I don't think the sort of the implementation model has been discussed that much yet. I think both from Ministry of Public Works side and from your technical people, there has been interest. But Marianne, maybe you can add a little bit to what I explained.
Just a few words. Actually, it's a very innovative system, and it's I think also it's a very unique system. You can use your local raw material. You can produce it in a very simple way, just on site. And the technology is very simple to also to copy, actually. But the Norwegian company has presented it to the governor and also to the Public Works. We are closely working with the international department in Public Works. So I think they are looking now for the next stage, the pilot, so you can actually see what's happening. And so it will be tested. But definitely Jakarta is one of the target and also a very focused interest from Norway, and we have been supporting both from the government and also the private sector. So it's moving slowly together with your government, and we really hope it could be realized as a very valuable system in Jakarta.
I think we could put a beauty contest too in this.
Yeah.
Yes, because of like a sewage, anything.
I can try plus this ERP.
I will talk to Ibu Yani,
Yeah.
Sarwo Handayani,
Yeah.
to talk, and we will prepare how we want to document to like a beauty contest if they want. Because the governor want everything doing in these 5 years. If want anything could accomplish 5 or 10 years. Because our period as the governor, vice governor, 1 period 5 years. If extended by the people, and it again 5 years. That's why we hope in 10 years, more than 10 years, we could accomplish many projects like this, like ERP. In these 10 years, could accomplish all like this multifunction deep tunnel.
So you're promising to be here for 2 periods, huh?
Not he.
Not he, but you.
We don't know. Maybe he want to move to the not Merdeka Road. Yeah.
But please bring our best regards to him, because he gave a very, very fantastic presentation in the seminar, and he spent the whole morning with us.
For us, it's more easy if he became a president. Because some of this job is have to involve us. Let's come back to the Sukarno era. Sukarno era has governor is appointed by president. Jakarta is developed by the president. So we make a job. How to develop Jakarta? The president have 2 vice presidents. One vice president for national, the same office, the South Merdeka Road. Another vice president for Jakarta, as the governor of Jakarta. So you could accomplish your idea about developing the
Very, very interesting perspectives. Yeah.
because our next door is the vice president office. He's the next door vice president. That's why we said president have 2 vice presidents. One for Indonesia, one for Jakarta.
Will be interesting, but I think we are, of course, as everyone, very following this very closely. So it's going to be a very interesting and important year for Indonesia, we think, because with a good government next time, I think really the growth will continue, the social development will continue, and it will really. I can see very fast.
So he has made the promise in this December 15, they will finish and we will start the beauty contest. So in January we will make very fast. The sticker bisa aja jalan, belum mesti jalan stiker langsung ya. And this I will ask Sarwo to prepare the document to let the beauty contest. So yeah.
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Vice Governor. I hope we get another opportunity to serve you seafood, yeah?
My wife always said, Edmondson, the wife. Never bring your gun in the office.
Interesting.
Maybe you can take one with mine as well. Like you were active on the social media. Okay, so send regards from this.
Okay.
I hope to see you soon again. Okay.